Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download the Blink Home Monitor app on your iPhone. This is quick, easy, and only takes a few minutes. First, unlock your iPhone and go to the App Store. Once the App Store opens, look at the bottom of the screen and tap Search. Now, tap the search bar at the bottom and type Blink Home Monitor. Make sure the spelling is correct. When you see the app, look at the Blink Home Monitor by Blink. The app icon is blue and white. Next, tap the Get button. If it asks for Face ID, Touch ID, or Apple ID password, approve it. The app will now start downloading. Wait until the button changes to Open from Get. Once the download is finished, tap Open or go back to your home screen and tap the Blink app icon. When the app opens for the first time, it may ask for the permission to send notification. Tap Allow so you can get alert from your camera. You will see login screen. You can sign in with your Blink account or create a new account if there is your first time using Blink. And that's it. That's all for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.